Hello YouTube, it's your boy OU Will again. We are at Hope Boy's Kitchen. My wife has got her order coming up. So stay tuned, we're gonna see what she got, and this is one of her favorite places, so she should love it.
What's going on? Film it?
Alright. Ooh, it looks like she has some kind of baked potato. Looks really good.
With jackfruit, barbecue.
Made out of jackfruit barbecue baked potato.
And this is chicken and waffles.
She got chicken and waffles.
Grits and greens.
Grits and greens. Uh-oh. Yeah, she's in her happy. She's definitely in her happy place now. We are here at Hope Boy's Kitchen, right off of Tyler and Jefferson and Vernon. So